Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a 3D dahlia flower inspired by Fozia Creations on YouTube. I will put a link to the channel into the description box. It's basically looks easy, beginners technique, kind of fluid art, acrylic pouring, but I think that a lot of things, little things are important, like in all things in life, in art. And so, and I decided that I will use this really deep, 6 centimeters deep, I don't know in inches, canvas, because it is really deep, but it's 20 by 20 centimeters, so 8 by 8 inch round. You will see what I'm talking about. And probably on this, you know what, I will do this on the cups, and then I will put it to the spinner because it will be easier for me to work. And I will pour some white in the middle too. And all my paints are mixed with my pouring medium as always. You have link to how I mix my paints in the description box too. Now I have my paints in squeeze bottles, and I will do just, oops, have to open, puddles of paint. So this one is oxide black from Amsterdam, and this one is permanent violet deep goldens, and then I have permanent red violet Amsterdam, and Amsterdam Naples yellow red light. And I will continue to do this quite some time. So here I will fast forward and see you in a bit. Hear you, not see you. Okay, so I had quite some problems with layering this. Obviously I don't have this leveled, my my table, so. And now I will start to do that. I will fast forward you for these two. I will just, you know, do some lines with the skewer. Here it is. We'll just tilt this first just a little bit to all sides, I think. Oop. Okay, so let's spin this. It's kind of cool that it's not centered for my taste. And the sides will be just beautiful, I think. So I will just try to open those lines on that side a little bit, maybe. One baby spin. And I will be done. Here is a close-up. I'm really happy with this one. Maybe this is not the right. Just want to show you the sides. They are really amazing. See? I love this so much. And all those lines that are here, see these 3D lines, I love those there. And some bigger ones here, so wow. And I'm happy that it's not, you know, totally centered, so it's not obviously a big deal if it's not totally centered. So, and it's not hard. I will say yes, it does take some things, you know, but I think that it's pretty good technique to play with, even if you are a beginner in fluid art. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.